If you are looking to make graphs on your Google Sheet but don't know how to make it, then this video is for you. Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how you can make graph on Google Sheet. So make sure to watch the video till the end. First, open the Google Sheet on your any browser and let's open a blank spreadsheet. Here we'll make a data for a student's marks. Now, after we create a data, simply select the data and at the top you'll find option Insert. Click on it. Here on the sixth option, you'll find Chart. Click on it. Now you can see that we have created a simple chart here. And if you want to change any settings, just go to Setups here at the right side and you can change the chart type, stacking, data range, and many other options here. Let's go to chart type and create a new chart type. And we have made it into a pie chart. We can change the chart type to line, area, column, bars, and many other options here. After this, go to custom. You'll find more settings which you can alter according to your choice. After you are satisfied with the changes, hit the cross. And that's it. And that's how you can make graphs on your Google Sheet. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.